forget you.
What's up, YouTube? We're next shop here, and Mike's how too. He's gonna help me do the run, and I'm recording, so I get the easy work for now. I did clean this up, clean the sides. Now, my brother, he explained a little bit more detail and how you pull the gears out. Make sure you put everything with it. As you can tell, make sure you put every bolt where they're supposed to go, like that there. And don't make the same mistake I did, where I just did this. This is my bench. Yeah. I mean, I guess I did pretty good. I got the bolts to go with the couplers that holds the knuckle in. That's what I'm gonna call it, the knuckle. And yeah, but the rest of the bolts, I kind of teensy forgot where to go, except for them. Like that goes to the right side, left side. That goes to the left. That goes to the right. So I got somewhat everything. Got all this cleaned up pretty well. It's got some minor rust issue, but I did the best I can with the water wheel. There you can tell. What? Oh,
put this back.
Okay.
All done. Like, just kidding. Yeah, she's fine.
I know. I'm just messing around with her, like I always do. She's being goofy wearing Uncle Mike's hat. Hey, Addison. Hey, Addison. Addison. You're a dork. Man, it feels warm in here now.
Because the fan's not on.
Oh, okay, I gotcha.
Throw the fan in the butt. Sometimes you can jiggle it around, sometimes you can't. There you go.
And then you gotta turn it.
Until everyone mashes the gears. It's a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. I shared some pictures on Facebook. And Wendy goes, "I see a tiny axle or rear end. What's those tiny gears go to? Or where's it go to and stuff?" And Wendy go, one of my friends goes, "Cadet." I started laughing a little bit. So I told him like a story about it. And
There we
then
go.
Austin, one of my friends goes, "I told you don't be rough on it. Look what you did." I'm like, oh, you smart ass.
Okay, that's in there. What I want to do is try to find those pieces of wood I had.
That looks pretty good.
What I want to try to do is keep that up high as I can.
I probably gotta stop the video so I can see the picture of how this goes back.
I already know how it goes.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's easy enough.
I think it went like that. You got your bearing. Gasket, yep. And you always want to put the flat end down. This is going to be the hardest part of it all right here. Trying to line.
Double us back up.
Yeah. If I just get the top kind of lined up, I think I'll get it. And what you gotta do, you gotta keep your hand. quite. She's off a little bit.
Yeah, it's just a crooked.
Let me come around here because I'm right-handed.
Nope.
I'm not trying to nick. I know I can hear you guys like, Mike, you forgot one part. I know that. I know I forgot to put this on there, but I ain't ready for it yet. So what I want to do is try to get this.
Oh, this goes on the outside of this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I got you. You want to get that flush.
Yeah, I'll get a socket. That's probably.
Okay, now we got the fan on. This is makes it a little bit easier.
Okay, you want to hold that?
Yep.
Okay. What's going on here? Okay, I'm just double checking it.
What are you doing?
Just kind of snugging it down a little bit. Not snug it down, but just kind of.
Oh, okay.
That way, I don't accidentally, but with this bouncing, I don't want it to damage the shim.
Oh, okay. I got you. It's important to ask questions. That way everybody else can know
Right.
too.
Okay, I'm going to hold that right there.
Yep.
Alright. Let's see what's going on here. Why is she going all the way? Yeah. Gotta go quite a bit yet, so. Yeah, we're good there. Wanna hold that?
Hang on real quick. Just like that, we got it. It was already against. Oh, we just put this on. Now it's perfect.
All the way against shaft. And there's no play now. So
Nope. We're golden.
Turn the air off for that one.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's this. People doesn't do the same mistake I just did.
Yep. Which is easy. Just take the bolts out. I had to stop the video, and we have to basically flip this up to back there.
Hey Addison, can you give me a socket?
Yeah, no, honey.
Socket.
Hey,
Chrome thing.
over here. It's on the floor, ground. Yeah. Yep.
Got a
That's cool.
redneck AC on.
Yep. Okay, put it on the table. Yeah, say pliers. Good job.
So now I can come in here, I'll push this. Nope.
Oh, so
Oh, wait. Almost did the same mistake again. Once you put that plate on there, they'll go against.
And I'm gonna pause the video for a second, and while he tightens it up, I can hold the rear end. I'm just gonna get the screw hole lined up.
Oops.
Nice and quiet. Now it's for the final gears to go in. And at that, we got the big. Yeah, the pumpkin, actually. I think that's what they called it. Hey, don't touch that.
Just go. Find the sweet spot. Oh, yeah.
And then it gets stuck. Then you put the coupler on, and you're good to go.
That be neutral. Be third gear, I believe, or maybe reverse. I kind of forgot. So.
Okay, all you have to do.
Hang on, let me get this all hooked up first before we
Okay.
put that notch up so it doesn't. Okay. Now there's the notch.
Ta-da!
Now, I'm going to pull this back out, that way they can see it. I thought it was recording. Okay, now you put the spring in. Drop that baby in there and drop that thing in there.
Bearing. Ball bearing.
Ball bearing. There's notches for that. So, and there's a notch here. So what I like to do, put that in like so. Just come up, just kind of like get to it. And then push down on that ball bearing. Okay, go ahead and push that rod in.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, push. Not that much, but you got it.
Just like that.
And then, let's see here what I do. Here it is. He did a good job welding that. So it'll go right there. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this rod around so it's like that. You know, here, kind of click into place, just like that. And sometimes it could be a pain in the ass, but
No, I like these from these on it.
You're off a little bit, Michael. You need to go back this way. There you go, right there. And just like that.
That's in there.
Yep.
But that's not almost done. Yeah.
Get your hand away from their ass. And
that's really sharp metal. Now I got it tight. Scoot that back. It might be in gear. Yes, it is. Okay, so I need it. Yep. No, I don't want reverse. Oh. Should be in.
I'm talking.
I don't know why it's still down. Oh wait. Now it's neutral. What I mean by neutral, this thing here is just spin and nothing down there.
Nope.
So if you put it in reverse, it's kind of hard to deal with those notches, but right there's reverse.
Yep, and you see the bottom gear moving too. Which we got to tighten that nut up before we do anything else.
Yeah.
Alright, I am going to stop this part. This part is done. I'm going to break this video in different parts though, so it's going to be like 3 parts. That way, I got an 8-minute video doing the bottom, another 5-minute, whatever, 8-minute video doing this, and then 4-minute doing this part,
Now it's time for
and then the back part.
the gear in.